Hi guys, how you going? It's Campbell here from Autodidactic, and I'm doing a walk around Fremantle. So let me just change this view. Okay, so here we are, corner of High Street and Moat Street in Fremantle. You can see this building, nice portico, round window, columns. I just want to show you what's down here. As you can see, these buildings are everywhere. Over there, there's a couple of nice ones. You can see everything here's got steps up to it. But look at this building. Let's come over here. Look at that building. Okay, it's Fremantle B&B. There's people on the street, so I'm just going to go over and have a look down here, because what you'll see is windows down under the ground. Look at that. Stairs going up to the door. And stairs going down. Okay, so here's some more buildings. This is just standard Fremantle architecture, guys. It's everywhere. Same stuff you see all over the world. And I'm just going to walk down here to another building, but I'll just show you this B&B again. This is the side of it. Look at that. Windows going into the ground. Look at that right there. Perfectly in line with the windows on top of it. Here's another one. Now on this side, this looks like we can't see much there. Just going to have a quick walk up here. And as you can see, there's another window up there underground. Don't know if you can see that. Okay guys, here's another building. Look at that. Stairs going up to the front door, windows going into the ground. There's the stairs going up to the second level, and there's the windows, stairs going up to the second level. So here's that building again with the windows, and this is a side view. As you can see, got these windows on the walls in there, and the same on this side. Straight into the ground, and this goes up to the second floor. And here's another window. You can see it's been bricked up. And so this is Fremantle, Perth, Western Australia, guys. Look at the work on this building. Strelitz buildings. Look at that. Very nice. Here's yet another one, guys. They're just literally every building that I walk past has got one of these. I'm not sure if you can see that window there. Like, you can see the lintel of the window just beside that pole. That's been bricked up, and if I come back here, you'll see there's two more lintels there. And then steps up to the second floor. Here's another one. So it's a window going straight into the ground. Alright guys, here's another one. Look at this building. Window right there, going into the ground. And if I turn around, there's one right behind me as well. Windows going into the ground, guys. It's classic Fremantle architecture. And just up here you can see there's another window going into the ground. And here's another one, guys. Let me pull back. Look at that. Classical architecture everywhere, arches, and look at the bottom there. They've all been bricked in, but you can see there's a row of windows going into the ground. Amazing. Okay, here we go. Nice building. Windows going into the ground. They're everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Nice building down there. Nice big dome. Okay, and this is just classical Fremantle. Like this is what Fremantle is. We've got this architecture everywhere. It's awesome. There's a majestic hotel, erected 1890. Fremantle was built, founded 1840s. Okay guys, look at this. Got steps going up to a door, second level, and down to a below level. Alright, here's another one guys. Windows into the ground, doors going up. It's pretty noisy down here, it's pretty full. But as you see, there's another window over there going straight into the ground. Motorbike just went by, there we go, another window, doorways going up, window underground, there's obviously a bottom story there, and we've got more down here, another one here, another one there. So look at the architecture around here, it's amazing. A bit noisy, as you can see, just everywhere. Okay guys, you can see the windows there, going to the ground, and here as well. Real windows, straight into the ground, being barred up, and here's the stairway that goes up to the original second floor, right there. Okay, look at this one guys, nice old building now, windows into the ground, but look, this is actually just a facade. If you look, there's actually a building behind it, so they've built a whole building behind it and just kept this facade with the windows going straight into the ground. Okay guys, windows into the ground, steps going up to the second floor, and the next building along, same thing, windows going straight into the ground. And here's another one guys, seriously, it's every couple of steps I'm seeing these sunken windows, and there's a door that's been built up, but yeah, windows into the ground. It's just mad, it's everywhere guys. There's a nice dome down there, a nice spire on its roof, free energy. Okay guys, here's another one, windows going into the ground, nice big, this is Customs House, windows into the ground all the way up, they've all been bricked in, and then down there there's a few more. Sorry, it's very busy here today. There you can see the window on the door, and this is just a normal Fremantle street guys. This is what it looks like down here. It's just all that old world architecture. Here's just another view of some Fremantle architecture. That there on the end is the old firehouse. It's now backpackers.
What you wanna do?